This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with a quick video here. And I just noticed that EOS was moving earlier, like over the last half hour or so. The high for the day is 4.65. Let's see what the 4-hourly is doing, because you might see where it is stalling based on the RSI. So I'll keep this very brief. What we're going to do is draw our previous breakpoint. Of course, the breakpoint of the highs right here at about 750, going back to late June. We take that info and draw our uniformity line as such, and you can see that we've hit this once before recently off the highs there, and over the last, let's call it, hour or so, we've gone above the line and back below it with what seems to be an inverted V or uniform activity above the line and back below it. It is also around the RSI level of 61.8. So on a 4-hourly, it looks like this would make sense for the crypto to stall around here. Oh, by the way, one other quick observation. We can actually also draw a line connecting the previous lows and this breakpoint right here, and we can extend the line, and guess what we get? So I'm going to extend the line, and guess what? We go above the line and back below it here for those highs, and over the last hour we've gone above the red line and back below it with uniform action. In other words, it's a perfect rejection, confirming that the black line is telegraphing and confirming what the red line is showing us: potential for resistance on the short term as far as EOS is concerned, with the highs for the day at about 4.65. So until such a time as when it can clear above the two lines, the suggestion here is that at this rate, short term, intraday, day to day, hour to hour, things are now pointing down after that 10 to 11% spike. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EOSUSD. Yes. I am out.